Hey, I'm back, and I want to show you something really cool that this card deck can do, unlike printed card decks that you hold in your hand. This is amazing. I'm going to go to Browse and Start and View. And if I press the plus, I can see all the cards lined up. Now, these are the cards that we've been working with the last few days. But I can go all the way to the end and there are more guide cards. So these cards I can pull up and we can learn a little bit about something here. Let's see, and this one. Okay. Move this around, pull it up. We can flip these around. So this is the introduction to the Renew. Harmony from within. And Renew stands for Restore Energy and Naturally Enhance Wellness. This 40 card deck will help you explore more comprehensive aspects of your unconscious beliefs. And if you're experiencing chronic physical pain and illness, these cards will help you examine the underlying emotional, mental, spiritual, and social connections. The carefully selected colors, sacred artwork, guided words, channeled music, and supportive meditation bring deep transformational meaning. Clients have had proven results from working with this system. By utilizing forgiveness, affirmations, all 12 senses, and clearing the 12 energetic meridian pathways, this system offers deep healing. With consistent use, you'll experience a balanced and renewed sense of energy in all 5 areas of life: physical, mental, emotional, spiritual, and social. With consistency, you can experience the following and create a positive mindset and higher awareness that will set you free. Release pain, replace patterns, recognize limiting beliefs, and restore health. For best results, it's best to be consistent, pulling a card each day for optimal health. You can also choose to pull a spread for the week by selecting that option, which if you pulled it for a week, then you can go back and journal on each one each day and spend a week diving into it, although there is another deck, a companion deck, on its way. Now let's look at the cards. So this is connected to the guidebook that is attached to each card, but this is what the cards are about. So the images are medicine for healing. The colors are medicine for healing. The shapes are medicine for healing. The statements are medicine for healing. The words are medicine for healing. The aromatics are medicine for healing. The breath work is medicine for healing. The hands are medicine for healing. The sound is medicine for healing, and the meditations are medicine for healing. You can experience all the details at once or one aspect at a time. It's your choice. You can pull a card to support you through a day, or you can use a card to heal an issue. Example, use the wood or the earth card for digestive disturbances. And if you want to learn more, then you can join one of my group healing sessions or classes, or work with me one-on-one, which you can find at the emotionconnectionworks.com. Now, this card has 5 sides, and it tells you what the blue water cards are all about, what the green wood cards are all about, what the red fire cards are all about, what the yellow earth cards are all about, and what the white metal cards are all about. So look for these. These are also on the guidebook on the cards, but this is an easier way to get into them to understand what am I doing with these cards. Glad you joined me today, and I'll see you again soon.